Hello there. Yes, that's right. There's a group out there aiming to bring a court case to prove that we're all still EU citizens, despite Brexit. Firstly, as ever, please kick that YouTube algorithm up the rear by giving this video a big fat like. And I'm always uploading new content, so please do check my YouTube channel daily. So, a group of pro-EU lawyers has started a fundraiser to take a case to the European Court of Justice, the ECJ, to prove that all UK citizens, or subjects if you prefer, are still citizens of the European Union. Therefore, they argue, UK citizens can still travel freely and work in the EU 27 member states after the 31st of December 2020. And no, it's not April the 1st. And they're looking to crowdfund £15,000 so they can file the case by the 24th of April. But don't get hot under the collar, fellow Brexiteers, as I'll explain in a moment. The pro-EU citizenship argument goes along the lines that EU citizenship is vested in the individual by the European Union, not the UK, and that once vested via the Maastricht Treaty, it became a fundamental status of each individual that cannot be removed by the later Article 50 of the Lisbon Treaty, or something like that. Therefore, they say, we are all still citizens of the EU and can go and freely visit, stay and work in the European Union. But pro-EU citizenship campaigners do add the following on their website. It should be added that preserving EU citizens' rights for UK citizens is not dependent on reciprocity, as the UK will no longer form part of the EU territory going forward. It will not have to provide for free movement of EU citizens and other rights connected to the status of EU citizenship, unless this is negotiated as part of the future relationship between the UK and the EU. And that makes it a one-way street. Nothing for Brexiteers to worry about, it seems. So it surely must fail at the first hurdle, though. All citizens are meant to be equal, but what this group of campaigners wants is to set up two distinctly different sets of EU citizens. The first are those that are citizens of EU 27 member states that can vote in EU elections, as well as live, work and travel freely within the EU, but not the UK. And another group of EU citizens comprised of UK citizens who can live, work and travel freely within the UK and the EU, but not vote in EU elections. Therefore, all EU citizens would not be equal under this, something I would postulate that would not be allowed under EU law. But for me, the real issue is that EU citizenship is not a standalone citizenship. You have to be a citizen of an EU member state to be an EU citizen. That's what the treaties say. As I understand it, you cannot just be an EU citizen. One assumes, therefore, that if, for example, someone revoked their EU member state citizenship and went to live in Russia and became a Russian citizen instead, then they'd no longer be an EU citizen. So if EU citizenship is not a standalone status, then is it really a true citizenship, or is it just an overhyped club membership? Anyway, if you want to hear more from me, please don't forget to subscribe and also press that little bell, or you won't get any notifications. And if you want to see more of me, buy a mug with my mug on it. So what do you think of this argument that we're all still EU citizens? Please share and comment, and thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll get an alert every single time I put up a new video. And thank you very much for watching.